Hi everybody. Wait, tingnan natin. Like, it's kind of presko. Whatever. Okay. Hi everybody. Wait. Naputol yung live namin ni Raf kanina, so I just decided to do an IG live on my own. Kasi I feel like it's my Wi-Fi, or is it her Wi-Fi? I'm not sure. Anyway, hi people. So, kanina kasi, when we were doing the live, people were asking me stuff about PBB auditions and all that. Really the right person to ask, pero siguro I can share a little. Yan. I feel like, yeah, is my Wi-Fi okay? Kasi kanina my Wi-Fi is gone. So, is my Wi-Fi okay? Is it back? Yan. Okay. I feel like my Wi-Fi is back now. So anyway, even if I only have a few viewers, but what, alam mo, okay din ako until yung viewers ko because I can be very honest. Like, I saw a lot of people, like, on TikTok, complaining. Like, why are you complaining? Honestly, na parang, kasi ganito, well, alam mo naman akong pake, kahit 7 viewers lang, I'd still say my piece. Kasi, hindi kasi Kuya Nasho, but then people are commenting, nag-live kasi kami kanya ni Raf Wane, and then people are commenting na parang marami daw issue yung auditions ng PBB. Sabi ko daw issues. Tapos parang, someone commented na, kasi daw, yung daw mga pumilo ng pagkahaba-haba, like 14 hours, 12 hours, they were only asked to like describe themselves in one word, which was done in like 10 seconds, 20 seconds lang per person, tapos they were asked to go na, like right after. Tapos parang sabi ko dun sa live namin kanina, parang ano bang ine-expect nyo na uupuan kayo na 10 minutes per person o di hindi natapos. So halimbawa, I think in Roberto's Novaliches, there were 3,000 plus na nag-audition. So let's round it off to 3,000 for example. Ngayon, let's do the math. Although I'm kind of bad at math, but let's see if my math is mathing. Char. For example, if you will give 1 minute per person, let's say for example, you give 1 minute per person, and then you will follow it strictly, like strict talaga, you give 1 minute per person. Ibig sabihin, sa isang oras, 60 katao ang ma-accommodate. Ba tama, 'di ba? 1 hour 60 minutes. So imagine kung 1 minute per person, you only get to accommodate 60 persons per hour. So if you have 10 hours, how many persons 'yon? That's 600 persons lang. Wala ka pa sa 1,000. Ano bang ine-expect nyo na napakahaba? Eh di ano yun? One audition will last what? 1 week? 1 week kayo nasa mall. So, gets ba? And like, when you came there, okay, when you came, nobody, put you under duress and ask you na you should go. Nobody did that to you, right? So you weren't for, and given the circumstances that happened, okay, there's social media, so you will see that the lines are long, and yet you still went. So basically, nobody forced you to go. Tapos, ito pa nakakaloka. People are also saying na, oh no, the auditions are a fraud. Kasi, it's backer system. It's kakilala system. It's whatever. Parang, and then yung mga nakikita ko nagko-comment na ganun, yung mga nag-audition like kanina lang or kahapon lang, and then they'll say that, na wag na kayong pumunta. Kasi, ano lang yan backer system lang yan kakilala system lang yan. Kung alam mo naman palang ganun, pagpalagay natin totoo yon, Kung alam mo naman na palang ganun, ba't ka ba nagpunta? Why waste your time, your energy, your money, your talent, kung alam mo naman na palang ganun? So gets, hindi siya gaanong logical eh. Alam mo naman, kung palang alam mo na ganun pala yung sistema, bakit ka pa nagpunta? 'Di ba? Kasi the problem is, alam mo yon, yung toxic Filipino mentality na kapag hindi nakuha yung gusto or hindi nakuha or hindi kesyo dinaya, kesyo niluto, kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan. I mean, that is not fair. That is not fair for the people in the production, the people behind the camera. That is not fair. Kasi they exhausted time, energy, and money to mount the auditions. Tapos sasabihin mo lang, ay naku, peke ang audition. I mean, that's not fair. Okay? That's not fair. Ngayon, yung mga nagko-complain naman na kesyo ganito, kesyo dapat ganito yung ginawa. Girl, you went there for free. Hindi naman kayo siningil nung nagpunta kayo doon. So, bakit nagko-complain? This is not, the auditions, no? Hindi ho yan pa-event ng gobyerno na pinaandar ng mga buwis na binabayad nyo. Kung sanang government-initiated activity yan, by all means, pwede kayong mag-complain kasi taxes nyo yung pera nyo yung ginastos to pull off the event. Pero this event was done by a private company using their own private funds, which you did not contribute in, and then ang dami nyong input, ang dami nyong kuda. I mean, just make your own show. If you have so much violent reactions and you feel like you're the beacon of reality TV or TV production, then make your own show. I mean, gets? Sige, for example, ikaw, let's reverse the roles. For example, ikaw yung nagsiscreen, ikaw yung nagde-decide kung pasok ba to o hindi. Do you really have the time and the energy to listen to 3,000 people all in one day? Like lahat yung 3,000, upuan mo lahat, pakinggan mo lahat ng anecdotes nila. Can you do that? I don't think you can. I can't. 'Di ba? So, I mean, kasi ang dami kasing sour grapes eh. Like, porque hindi nakuha yung gusto, sabihin, ay nako, kasi nandadaya lang sila eh. Kasi ano lang yan eh, backer lang yan eh. Kasi ganito lang yan. Porque hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo, ganun agad. Unfair ka naman. Paano kunyari yung mga lalabas na housemates sa June, eh nag-audition naman talaga. They dumaan sila sa butas ng karayom, and that rigorous, meticulous process. Pinagdaanan nila yon just for them to earn a spot inside the house. Fair ba yon that you would say na, ay nako, si ganito kasi, backer lang yan eh. Like, do you get it? Like, kasi, grabe talaga yung sense of entitlement ng mga tao. Like, when I read the comments, dude, like, ano bang ina-expect mo? Do you expect VIP? Do you expect VIP treatment? Like, 3 days, diba? Kasi, hindi nyo alam yung pagod ng ng people in production. The people in production are the ones you don't see in the cameras. Sila yung nag-aano ng mga social media pages, sila nag-aayos ng auditions, lahat in-arrange nila yon. Yung oras ng audition, kung saan yung venue, yung mga gamit, yung mga form nyo, yung mga nakadikit na mga papel sa mga damit nyo, they fix all of those. Inayos nila the whole logistics of it. Tapos sasabihin nyo lang na the game is rigged, the game is dinaya. Ay naku naman. Again, as I've said earlier, kung palang alam nyo na dinadaya lang pala, ba't pa kayo nagpunta? Right? Diba? Kayo nga nagsabi kasi, ay nako, it's backer. Why did you go? Diba? Why did you even bother going? If yun na pala yung alam nyo. Diba? And, alam nyo, like, honestly, okay na din na yung mga reklamador sa social media, okay na din na hindi kayo nakuha. Kasi, demanding yung mga tasks sa bahay. Kuya himself is demanding. So, I don't think you're up for it if nagko-complain kayo sa mga ganyang bagay. So, yeah. Yun lang naman ang aking mga observations. Basta Kapampangan. Manyaman. Char. Manyaman magluto. So, yun. And please, even if I only have 8 viewers, please do not message me and ask me na ipasok ko kayo sa PBB because I cannot do that. Wala akong powers to do that. So, please don't message me and ask me that. Kasi ako mismo dumaan ako sa audition. Nag-audition talaga ako. So, please don't ask me that. Okay? I can give you advice or tips on how you will ace your auditions because ako I got in, but I cannot promise you a spot in the house kasi hindi ko naman ginagawa yon, so I think there's an upcoming audition in Jensan. I think it's gonna be next week. No. It's this week. And I think kasi May 1 tomorrow. It's this week. But please check the official pages para you're informed. Alam ko meron sa Jensan this week. So, if you haven't auditioned, but you will, kahit pa online ka mag-audition. Sabi ni Sir A. Pampanga, ako balo nung maglagay-laki. Actually, sasabihan ko Harela na magpa-audition laki ng Central Luzon. Regardless if Pampanga or Bataan. Kasi magkakalapit lang naman yan. Pero wala pa kasing official announcement for that. Pero siguro naman they're studying it. Wala po ba sa Visayas? Meron po ba sa Visayas? I don't know. So far parang wala. Parang alam ko sa Jensan tong parating. Meron daw sa Mandaue, Cebu. Sabi ni Kuya Jonas. Kuya Jonas is part of the production. Yan, sa Mandaue, Cebu. But please do not message him. Please do not message him and ask him na ipasok kayo because he won't do that for you. Please do not message him. Meron daw sa Mandaue. Mas nakalmalagwat pa santing Kapampangan. Sir A, actually it's about personality. It's not really looks centric. Eto, sabihin natin kay Kuya Jonas na magpa-audition sila sa Pampanga. Hi Din. Si Ryman. Naku, hindi pa ako nireplyan ni Gwen. Tapos na yung A. Pero babay ang gabi. Hindi pa niya ako na-reply. Pero sana siya reply. It's better na late, diba? Better late than never. Tama bang sinabi ko? Okay. If you haven't auditioned yet, may plan ka whether you'll do it face-to-face or online. Ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, yung sa first few seconds pa lang, give it your all. Huwag ka na yung parang gaganon na parang may pa-climax ka pa. No! Climax na agad. Give it. Kasi, if you will audition online, yung isasubmit mong video, they'll only watch that for a few seconds. I'm being candid with you. They will only, if you will submit a video online for the online auditions, they will only watch the video for a few seconds. They are not going to watch your video in its entirety. So dapat dun sa first few seconds pa lang lumalaban na ang personality mo. audition ka ulit din sa PBB. Hindi na pwede. Been there, done that. So, hindi na pwede. Hindi na pwede. Bawal na. But I would love to go back inside the house. Like, literally, I want to go there and sleep there. Kasi, guys, ang lamig-lamig doon. Like, unlimited aircon. Maniwala kayo sa akin. So, yun. Hi, Maurice. So, yun na naman ang aking host na yan. Nako, Kuya Jonas, you're giving me hopes. you're gonna break my heart. Joke lang. Pero, yun nga, like, kasi actually gusto ko mag-post ng TikTok about my observations sa auditions, no? Kaso lang, alam ko kasi i-bash na naman ako ng malala ng mga tao. But I wanna keep my peace. So I'd rather not. Nag-post nga lang ako ng audition tips. Inaway nila ako. What more if i-real talk ko pa yung mga tao, diba? Kasi ito talaga, ito live to ha. So, huwag yun ang screen record, buwisit kayo. Ang napansin ko kasi is grabe yung sense of entitlement ng mga ibang nag-audition. Hindi lahat, pero marami sa kanila sobrang entitled. Like, gusto ata, parang uupuan sila for 1 hour. Parang, diba? And, yun nga na parang, ay nako, pinagsabi lang kami ng describe yourself lang kami in 1 word, tapos na. It's their show. So, it's their rules. Their show, their rules. So, ganun siya. So, you don't really get to impose. Ano ba sabi dito? Saan po kaya ang venue ng Luzon? They're done already in Luzon. Itong 27 and 28, they've done Robinson's Novaliches, so that's in Quezon City. Tapos they've also done Robinson's Las Piñas, so that's in the south of Metro Manila. So that's technically Luzon. Ayun, sabi kanina sa akin magkakaroon daw sa Mandaue, sa Cebu. So that's Visayas. They will also have auditions in Gensan, General Santos. So that's Mindanao. Tama ba ang aking geography? Kuya, any advice sa mga mag-audition sa PBB? Number 1, yung first few seconds ng iyong interaction will determine kung papasa ka sa second round o hindi. That's my advice for you. Keep that in mind and in your heart. Yung first few seconds ng inyong interaction will tell you if you will get a yes or a no. So dapat nga kapag pinapasok na kayo, like harap na kayo dun sa kung sino man yung magsi-screen, no? Like let's say for example, ayan siya, ayan ang kaharap nyo. When you enter, laban na. Okay? The way you stand, the way you carry yourself, you smile. And eye contact. Kasi kausap mo yung mag-interview sa iyo yung kung sino man nag-screen look at them in the eye. Kasi kapag tumitingin ka sa kanila sa mata, the more you make them feel na you're sincere and you're genuine kasi nakakatingin ka sa mata ng tao 'di ba? And ako for me that's important yung eye contact, 'di ba? Kasi if you can maintain eye contact, it could translate to this person is confident, this person is secure about themselves. Like this person knows what they're doing, parang gano'n. So eye contact is very important. Hindi yung kunyari nag-i-introduce ka tapos nakatingin ka sa floor. Yeah. Like, dude, ang dami mong kalaban for a spot. So, it's a challenge on how you will stand out. Pero ito this is also an advice na you should keep in mind. Kailangan bibo ka diba? You have to be bibo. But do not overdo it. Wag yung bibo na nakakairita. Kasi when you're gonna face the panel or the person who's going to screen you, it's done by groups. Hindi siya individual. FYI it's done in groups. So kunyari, group 1, pasok kayo lahat. Tapos meron kayo isang kaharap or tatlo or I don't know. No? Of course, gusto mo mapansin kanila eh. Gusto mo mapansin kanila eh, 'di ba? Kaso, wag naman yung sobrang papansin na parang alam mo yon, yung in your face papansin na nakakairita. Wag ganon. Like 'di ba? Gets mo yung ano lang, suwabe lang na mapapansin ka. Pero wag naman yung kunyari may nagsasalita tapos you're gonna interrupt or like, alam mo yon, just the right amount. Kasi anything sobra is also bad. Remember that. 'Di ba? So, ano pa ba? Yung talent, if you will do a talent, no? It's you know, it's whatever you dance, you'll sing, you will do an impromptu acting or whatever. Galingan mo, 'di ba? It's not, hindi naman necessary na sobrang galing mo. It's also about how you do it. Alam mo 'yon? Like for example, you're gonna sing. It's not necessary na parang dapat ka-level mo si Regine Velasquez. Hindi naman ganoon. Importante din yung paano ka magkanta na parang ano ba siya? Parang is she enjoying? Habang kumakanta siya, nakita mo nag-enjoy siya? Kita mo ba na parang ano lang siya, cool lang siya, na parang ano lang, suwabe lang yung, alam mo yun, I'll sing, okay. Or is it forced? Ganon. Actually, the little things matter. Kasi when I did my talent, I'm speaking for myself. I'm not speaking for any other person. When I did my talent, dude, I cannot sing for my life, but I sang. So parang, pero when I sang, I gave it my all, diba? You know, okay, when I did my talent, I sang You're Still the One by Shania Twain. Okay? Tapos ito pa, aside from the singing, nag-dance ako sa talent ko when I was auditioning. You know what I danced? Dude, I danced Pearly Shells by Nora Honor, as in pearly shells from the ocean. I'm serious. I've done that. And I'm not a good dancer. I'm a really terrible dancer. Pero ginawa ko lang siya kasi in-enjoy ko lang yung sayaw. Pearly shells from the ocean, whatever. Doon, advance na naman. Diba? So, ano lang, just enjoy the process, you know. Yun ang aking advice. What else can I give pa ba? Further advice will come pag nakapasa na kayo. Siguro kapag nagsa-start na yung interview process, baka pwede ko kayong bigyan pa ng advice. Kapag in-interview na kayo, that I can give. Yung what do I say interview? Yung kapag tapos na yung general auditions, yung medyo nagbabawas-bawas na sila. Alam nyo, as the audition process goes along, mas humahaba ang interview. The more they'll ask you about your life, the more they'll ask you things, the longer the interviews get. It could last to an hour. Believe me, an interview could last an hour. Pero kapag nasasala na kayo, bawas na. Okay? Alam mo, hindi ko nga alam, honestly, kung allowed tong ginagawa ko na I'm disclosing things to you. Diyos ko, Lord, baka ma-principal's office ako, but whatever, kasi my intentions are pure naman. I want to help you lang. So, sana hindi ako ma-principal's office, nakakaloka. Ano pa ba? Wala naman na akong maisip. Anyway, yun lang. Do you still have questions? Like, sino bang viewers ko? I have Kevin Montiliano. Hi, Kevin. I love Kevin Montiliano. He's my idol. Kuya Jonas, i-report mo ko, sabihin mo, nako, alam mo, Justin should be a host. Shout out to Kevin Monteliano of my life. Kevin, let's hang out soon. Oo, ay guys, you know, Kevin is very handsome at magaling mag-host yan si Kevin. Even better than me. Diba? Kaya kayo, huwag kayo nagpapaniwala dun sa mga nagsasabi na kailangan may backer. Huwag kayo nagpapaniwala doon. Kasi, nakuha kami sa auditions. Me, Melay Cantiveros, sina Maymay, sina Slater Young, yung mga ibang mas bago. For example, sina Raf 1, nag-audition ng mga yan. Diba? Gusto ko nga pa mag-audition. Oh my God, Kevin, mag-audition ka please. Kevin, ako. Kevin, if you will audition, you call me. I mean, before you audition, you call me. Sabi ni Christian Golds, paano po ma-evict? Christian, pumasok ka muna. I miss you, Christian. Christian is my friend. Kevin, ay nako Kevin. You audition. Before you audition, you call me. Diba? Christian, saang country ka? I believe Christian is like in the US. Or like Europe. Kevin, mag-audition ka, okay? Pwede ka. ang cutie patuti ng Laguna. Oh. Ano ba bang advice na kasi the advice na I can give for sa beginning pa lang, yung bang, pasan nyo muna itong first few rounds. Uy, pansinin nyo naman, nagpagupit ako. Nagpa-short hair na ako, diba? UK, Christian, padala mo naman ako ng pounds. Kasi, ang ekena natin dito is parang acro cut daw, hindi ko alam. Is parang, pag susukli mo daw siya, parang pag ganito. Ganyan. Tapos parang nakababa lang siyang ganyan. Parang Korean yung... I'm not sure. Anywho. Kuya Jonas, hindi pwede mag-rant yan si Kevin sa TikTok. Awayin ko siya. Kapag nag-rant si Kevin, ako unang mang-aaway sa kanya. I think I have the license to do that. KM, mag-audition ka daw. What else? Okay. You have to be truthful. Be truthful. Do not lie. Ay, nako. If you lie, ay, nako, you die. The joke lang. Kasi if you give information on the basis of falsification, that's fruit of the poisonous tree. So, meaning, lason yan. Kasi nga, peke. So, do not make up things about your life that did not happen or do not exist, no? Yung parang baka siguro sa inner monologue mo, parang, oh my gosh, gawa nga ako na makabagbag damdamin na melodramatic na story, para nakakaawa ako, kunyari. Ay, nako, don't do that. If it's not real, don't say it. Ay, nako. I remember so many people. Hindi, joke lang. Pero ano naman, masaya. You know, when you get inside PBB, ay nako, I'm gonna be so happy for you. Kasi ang dami talaga, may gustong makapasok, but only few, no? Only few can get in. So, yon. Okay, people, I think, I'm gonna hit the hay now. I'm gonna go to bed. Manunod ako ng Avatar, The Legend of Korra. I'm so obsessed and attached with Avatar Aang and Avatar Korra. Sobrang, especially Avatar Aang, parang I feel so connected with the basta. So anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. Just message me if you need advice. I'll try my best to respond. But please do not ask me na ipasok kayo sa bahay because I will not do that and I can't do that. Okay, bye.